他是说头尾打一个那种是不是？这个意思。
他意思是说你这里先。
Length, the second line.
order.
Yeah.
What is length? What is marking?
Yeah.
So there will be no waste of the first piece.
Yes.
Yes, that we agree. And with that machine, even the first piece no need to waste.
Okay. Because you print right here.
Yes, but if without the software, the computer does not know what's the second order length, then every new batch, the first piece is a waste. So if you with the computer software, he already knows what's the following order length. So only the first. Let me show you.
But it's reasonable because when you see a batch.
Batch like see batch 1, 2, 3. You know, for example, 10 meter.
Okay.
3, 6.
Okay.
So if we use that, he knows the order next follow.
Yes.
So you only waste the first piece here.
Yes.
So no waste.
Right.
Yes. But if you without the computer,
Without the computer, yes.
waste.
Yes, it's true. It's true. With the computer,
Yes.
no, because you
And
know.
with the